Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Novel World. So today we will read Child of Light chapter number 2. Okay, so let's start. Chapter number 2 is choosing the light element. Okay, we will start reading. I quickly ate 2 mouthfuls of breakfast, then hurriedly left the house for school. Walk faster. You don't want to be late, otherwise, the teacher will have a bad impression of you. Properly learn magic, pay attention on the road, and come home quickly after school. Mother sure is amazing. Saying these words every day. It's impossible for me to not know them by heart by now. However, her concern for me makes my heart warm. My name is Zhang Gong, 7 years old this year, and living in landlocked kingdom of Axia's second largest city. In the small villa beside Sankey City, as my family is relatively wealthy, so my mother and father were hopeful and brought me to the city's Sunke Elementary Magic Academy in order to learn magic. I am now in the third grade. Since a young age, I have shown an interest in magic, but by nature, I am a lazy person. In more than 2 years, I have only learned some elementary class magic and some basic magic theory. Today is the day I have to tell the teacher what element of magic I choose. This will determine what class I am in. What should I choose? I like fire magic, but it feels a bit too dangerous. Since my motto is safety first, it really conflicts. So, what should I choose? Which magic is the safest? Consideration. Ah, yes, light magic seems the safest. In the past, teacher said that there are no attack spells of light element past the elementary class. It's basically purely defensive or curative, and there should not be any opportunities to test it on others. Yay, I am choosing this. Due to the kingdom of Exia constantly promoting magic, students in magic academies often have to test to increase their practical experience and confirm their magical level. However, because of our low magic levels, no one has come to test the lower grades magic levels yet. Generally, they will test it in grade 5 or in the intermediate magic academy. I am truly am smart. What minor magic to choose? I will choose wind magic and learn some air blasting techniques. Measure wind magic or something. This way I can quickly escape in case of danger. Wait, no. Wind magic is fast, but it is not capable of instant movement. Mother told me there was a spatial magic scholar who could teleport about 10 kilometers, and he is only a magic scholar. Spatial magic is pretty good, and I will choose it instead then. And such deep thought, I could not help but take a deep breath. Later, a light element grand mage would be called the Child of Light. Zhangong will become a powerful figure with a widespread name. He will not escape the clutches of the hand of fate. His light magic has been chosen to be spread through the continent, and his spatial magic which he often uses to escape. I happily walked to the town and turned my thoughts to this beautiful life. I could not restrain myself from laughing due to my happiness. Zhangong, you are so annoying, Aude, you scared me. He is both my classmate friend and my classmate. What elements of magic did you pick? I have chosen the light element for the major and spatial element as the minor. That's just like you. Ha ha ha. What do you know? Why don't you tell me why I picked these two then? I am surprised by audio. Of course, since your motto is safety first. So annoying. You are correct. What did you choose then? I choose water element as my major and spatial element as my minor. I understand why you picked the spatial element. Of course, he would pick the same as me. But why did you pick the water element? You would not understand. Hurry up and say why. There are a lot of girls who pick the water element. There are basically no boys. I can bully them and take their snacks. Ha 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 ha. This young age, yet you are still so bad. I am going to tell your father. I raised my head high, but then I thought, though the water element has more girls, after entering an intermediate magic academy, if we continued bullying the girls, there would be a tragic consequences. The older brothers of this village was beaten horribly when they bullied the academy's beauties. Our will truly be miserable after he grows up from a brat. Thinking this, I cannot help but look at Aude with disgust. Some learn magic of the water element with me. Because he does not want me to expose him, he is even trying to draw me in. No need. Just get me some good treats in the future, and I won't tell your father, okay? Okay, no problem. We are at the school. Hurry up, we are going to be late soon. Sonke City's Elementary Magic Academy is the city's biggest magic academy. It occupies over 200,000 meters square, and there are a lot of practice fields and faculty buildings. Aude and I are in class 3-4. Good thing we are not late, otherwise the old witch will punish us again, Audu muttered to me. Be quiet, the old witch is coming. Of course, the old witch is our class teacher, the 50-year-old fire element advanced magic teacher Lynn. She is very strict and she matured into an unattractive woman. So, me and my classmates gave her the nickname of Old Witch. Morning, students. Good morning, teacher. As soon as the old witch came in, the class felt silent because no one wanted this old volcano to erupt. Have all of the students thought properly about what magic element to choose? Yes, we have. Good. Come line up in the front to register then. When I registered, the old witch looked at me and said, You are choosing the light element as your major. Yes, that's right, teacher. Did you know that in the whole kingdom, those who choose their light element as their major, besides the professionals, are only monks who use it for treatment? What? Why is that? I did not know. It turns out that 200 years ago, when the two continents first collided, there were a lot of humans learning light magic because light magic is the weakness of magic race. In the war, intermediate light element mage had two main functions. As intermediate light spells are capable of basic treatment of the injured and damaging the magic race, light and darkness spells also had two other functions. But today, 200 years later, due to the peaceful 200 years without war, people are able to live peacefully. Thus, light spells have slowly become entirely useless in the comparison to the practical water, fire, earth, and wind spells. The light element is fairly basic. Furthermore, in the intermediate class, light spells are almost entirely defensive or for healing purposes. So most people choose who favor being aggressive, choose the water, fire, earth, or wind element as the major. And although slightly inferior to light spells, water spells are also able to heal. However, due to water spells having offensive spells and defensive spells in a more even ratio, even the girls who want to learn how healing spells give up light element in the favor of water element, leaving only the peace-loving monks to choose the light element as their major. For the 7-year-old me, of course I would not know about this. After the teacher's explanation, I told her about my motto of safety first and that I was set on choosing the light magic. Well then, all of the students who have selected their magic element, it's an early dismissal today. Tomorrow you will be divided into classes according to the magic element you have chosen. Yay, class is over. The child of light's element magic education begins. How it will turn out tomorrow, so we will find out. Okay, it's enough for today. So please, we will continue our chapter number 3 tomorrow. And please like and subscribe my channel and turn the notification on if you like it, and if you don't like it, please also subscribe it. Thank you very much.